Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Lucia. Make sure you drop a like if you like my videos. Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you like my videos. So, today, I haven't posted in a long time, but today, we have this name, Confetti Pop birthday. It says look out confetti plus inside. And I want to show you this first. You know, this is the start of the intro with Hello Kitty. This is the Hello Kitty that my dad earned at the Pixel Parts because there's a half Tom's World there. And it's so squishy. Let's open it. I'm not energetic, I just sleep so hard. Well, my character move, we have this one. I really want this one. I love the skirt. Let's open it. Oh, wait, what's this? It says pull here. What's this? Is it gonna have a confetti pop on my face? Whoa! I didn't expect that! Bro, follow my face! I didn't expect that! What is this? Oh, there's the toys inside. Bruh. Oh, it's right on my face. Is this a thing? Oh! It looks like a stand too. Okay. Anyways, this is the tissue paper. I got confetti on my face. Oh, there's confetti. We got how many prizes? I got 1, 2. Yeah, I know there's 8. What would it? Oh! Look, it's a little bag. You have to fold it. I don't know how to fold this. I'll do it later. Anyways, collector's guide. Still on my face confetti. Oh my god, there's so many cute ones. Wow. Wow, this looks so cool. Okay, let's open it. Let's start with the small one. This one. I think this is the Namek or just. Let's open it. I know what it is. I know what it is. Oh my god, this is my birthstone. Oh my god. I'm not gonna show you. I'm not show you. Surprise. The bottle. Oh, it is green. Looks like pure gold. This one. What's this? Accessories? Oh, it's a cupcake. How cute. This one is... What is this? The shoes.
Ay, ano yan, Beng? Uy, nagkalat na yung ano.
I know, it's confetti.
Candy ba yan?
No, it's not candy. It's confetti. Oh, this is so cute. It looks like Pennywise. The doll. I already know the doll. I'll show you the collector's guide.
So, I think that one.
Let's open it. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh, ta-da. So cute. It's emerald. It's emerald. This is my birthstone.
Oh my.
Oh my god. Are my lucky earrings working? Oh my god. Look. The earrings are green. And my doll is green. So cute. Oh my gosh. Get all the things. Don't lose everything. Let's look at it. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. It wants a face go. So messy. I like this. Let's put this. Pixie forest.
Oh my god, what's that?
The doll?
So ganda.
It's emerald. Look, like my earrings.
Ang daming ano.
I know. It's
tawag
confetti. Oh. This is the... Oh. This is the doll. This is the doll. This is the doll. This is the doll.
5:30
The
yun
name of
eh.
it is
Isang
Emerald
oras
Base.
lang.
I really want an opal cutie. Oh wait, this is birthstones? I'm
Naubos lang
so
ulit
lucky
mamaya.
I got emerald. Okay, wait lang. Let's build this. This is how I can build it. Don't judge. Wait, I can. It's like that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So cute. And then you can hold this. Can't put it in there. But so.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. So cute. Will it require color change? I think it will color change. I love it. It's so
Oh my
cute.
gosh, Lynn.
Oh my. I love it. It's so cute. It will launch your dreams. Look, it's a cookie cake. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, what's on top? And you mix it. Oh. And then, will it call, Mommy? I think, will it color change? Or drink water and spit it out?
Maybe later.
Let's try it.
Later.
Oh my gosh.
Take a bath.
No, it's okay.
Hey.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.